The next several lessons are centered on students exploring electric circuits. We're going to be using a web-based simulation that allows students to build circuits and kind of measure various properties. The handout is shown here, and it's a handout that can be downloaded from the website, which is explorelearning.com. There are three activities that I want the students to do over the course of this week, and after a brief warm-up shown here, as students get familiar with the website, students then will enter into the first of three activities. Activity A, Ohm's Law. And in this particular activity, they're going to collect current and voltage information by making measurements on the screen, and then they will be directed to collect some data by putting in some predetermined voltages and measuring the currents, and then being encouraged to kind of extend their data set, doing that not just once, but twice for a second resistor, and then they're asked to take these data tables and put them into an Excel spreadsheet. At the end of this activity, students should have uncovered Ohm's law, and then they are prompted to apply it to find the unknown resistance of the light bulb that's used in the simulation. The second activity is activity B, and it's a look at series circuits. So here they're going to look at two elements in a circuit in series and try to determine the sort of the physics that governs that. And they will then move on to activity C and a look at parallel circuits and looking at how current will split in this particular kind of circuit. The rhythm of the week is that we will spend approximately 30 minutes in day one and 30 minutes in day two doing this kind of exploration, and then we will pause at a certain point and come together as a large group. And on day one, we'll talk about the ramifications of Ohm's law, which will affirm the findings for those who have gotten there and kind of give a hint or a suggestion about what students should find if they haven't quite finished that. And then on day two, after their exploration time, we'll take some time to talk about series circuits and the division of voltage that happens there. On day three, they should come in ready to talk about the outcome of parallel circuits, so they'll have a little bit of homework to take care of. But it's quite possible that in the two 30-minute periods, they will have completed all three activities, and by the third day, they'll be able to talk about any of the three circuits.